Aloha and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, and I want to welcome all the subscribers, and I want to encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already. So this is about the weekend trade prep for Monday, March 6, 2023. We're going to cover 4 charts for price action and order flow and do the day trading for ROI payout. Remember, no trade recommendations. This is just a trade journal, so let's get at it. Big green candle here on the 24-hour and a downsloping middle Bollinger Band. And what was significant about this Friday was we had it the day after Thursday's low here. We had a double relative low, you can see here, and this giant tail. And we really didn't retrace on Friday back below even the middle of this tail here. I was hoping that might happen. And the new week open gap from the beginning on Monday, we didn't go there either. All we got to on the low in Globex was to the 2023 anchored VWAP year to date. And then we just went straight up through the fair value gap all the way to this downsloping middle Bollinger Bands. This is how we closed up. What does this look like in smaller time frames? 60-minute, you can see here, we did tag the new day open gap of March 1st in the RTH for Friday, and then it was just a straight trend day up, closing on the left, an old fair value gap, and on the right, creating a new fair value gap with this big candle. And notice this green dot. So we really had the bids here supporting this, and this came in about 45 minutes into the RTH, and we just closed at the highs on a 1932.2, right below the Feb FOMC volume weighted average price. I'm looking for this fair value gap possibly to be touched in the new week, and this starts right around in 1922-23 area at the top, and the bottom is probably right around 1914, 1913. So this is a zone that I'm going to be looking at for the new week. Let's go to the next chart. You can see the 3 time zones: Asia, Europe, RTH, and this red arrow here in the RTH is that wick, the candle wick that tagged this new day open gap of March 1st. So again, this is a key level here for March because it started the month. And then you can see some fair value gap blocks where this trend day just took off. And I'm looking here, price this day one volume weighted average price. You can see how even through the Globex, price really through Europe stayed above it. And then when we went below it with this candle wick and started going above, that was the tell right there. So again, on trend days, sometimes that's been my kryptonite as a mean reversion trader, not correctly seeing this, and I could have done a better job. So I'm just going to pay attention to that. This blue dot is the anchored VWAP. And this is instructive because it shows me from when this rally really bounced off this new day open gap, wholesale was probably in at about 1920. So that's how we ended it. A huge gap up here at 32.2 on the close of the 15-minute. And that's a good 12 handles above. And it's in this new fair value gap. Let's go to the Renko to close it out. This is one of those times where the Renko is not really helping a mean reversion trade setup, because look what happened here on this column shaded in gold. It just stayed on the upper blue for the whole afternoon. It really did not go much below it all the way into the close. So that's what happens when you get a relentless face rip trend day up. And so I just want to again show the red here was way below, never came back even to the middle, and that's about a 1921.7, and that corresponds with the level of that fair value gap block that we saw on the 60-minute and the 15-minute. And here you see the day one VWAP way down here at 15.8. So again, if Monday has a mean reversion level, I'll be watching the red, and also you can see this lower blue here that came at 1912. So we never came even close to that. So that kind of sums up. Hope you all have a good weekend. Take a look at these charts again for study and trade them well for Monday. Take care and aloha. Bye.